Did you read this? Inhaler, insulin. See? That is called inhaler. Inhaler, insulin. Have you heard about this? See, today, so many people in the world, they are suffering from this high blood sugar and they are taking injections. Morning injection, insulin. Afternoon injection, insulin. Night insulin for so many years. That's the good news. The good news is, you don't have to use this insulin in the injectable form. You can use it as inhaler form. Very easy. That is why I am talking about this video. Inhaler insulin, needle-free insulin. Good news. Good news. Good news. It can be used for people above 18 years. And if you inhale this inhaler like this, it will act within 12 minutes. It will act within 12 minutes. And it can be used in emergencies. Within 12 minutes it will act. And it will last for 3 years. 3 hours. 3 hours. It will be functioning for 3 hours. So kindly share this great awareness video because so many people in the world are suffering from this injection insulin. Okay, but if you read any medical textbook in the world, the first treatment and the best treatment for high blood sugar is balanced diet. The best treatment and the first treatment for high blood sugar is balanced diet. Second, good physical activity. Number 3, good sleep. The last one is insulin, tablets. Again the last one is insulin. So which is very important? Balanced diet is the kingmaker. It's the kingmaker. If you want any help regarding balanced diet, just type the word comments. Please like and share this video. So many people in the world will be benefited. Okay? Like and share. Okay?